Good morning. Happy, what was it, Wednesday? Heading out for sunrise surf. It's a beautiful morning. Ah! Party wave! Water feels good. Shockingly, the girls are all out. They don't know I'm coming out. Because technically, I think I'm getting ready for work, but we are getting ready for work. Just a different type of ready for work. It's cold. Alright, I'll see you guys out there in the lineup. Way too ambitious. What up? We out here. I went to bed so late. But I'm out here. How's it? Good. Never mind. Good morning. Do I look like Cinderella?
Yeah, you do.
With the blue?
Your necklace, you need a bun.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Should I do the bun? So tired. I know. I was like, I'm gonna surprise them. They have no idea. I know. I know. I thought she'd be out here. Give me your board.
I think we all have to
Are
be
you
on your
okay?
left side. Or like behind you.
Yeah, actually
behind
come.
you.
Oh, behind me?
Yeah.
There we go.
It's where over here.
Wait, stop. Yay!
You have everyone. Can you see Brett?
Yeah, but now you guys look so small.
I know.
Okay, cool. That'll be good. Yay! We got the selfie. And let's go catch some waves now. Go right, go right! That's awesome. Yeah. What's your name?
Rob.
Rob.
And you know, I know Lena because I didn't teach her daughter, but she goes to my school.
Yeah, I think she was mentioning some guy that teaches.
Yeah, that's me.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Nice. I teach too.
Where do you teach at?
I'm at. Take me out. Jesus. You're good. I was like. I paddled so hard for that wave. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, my wave? Oh my gosh. I paddled so hard for it. I caught you on your wave. Your takeoff. Yeah. There we go. Morning. I was like, I'm gonna surprise them. I didn't tell any of you guys. It's so nice though. Oh, so glassy. Here we got some waves coming. We can catch them. I'm going with you. Party wave. Waves are super glassy and fun. I'm loving it. It's a good time. Oh, I love.
Bad no.
Dude, I did that in Bali. The wave like flipped me over. The board literally like shot straight up into my hooch. And I was like,
Oh my god.
I was like, I'm definitely bleeding down there.
Yeah.
I was like, dude, if